Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Product Marketing Department. Let's talk about the Deep Hub. In our previous Deep Hub video, we introduced the Lite series and its basic features and functions, including screen sharing, reverse touch, and file management. In this video, we'll be introducing the Deep Hub Pro MC470 series, which shares the same basic features and functions as the Lite series and then some. First, let's do a quick refresher on home navigation screen. Our four main icons, screen sharing, whiteboard, file manager, and more applications make navigation incredibly easy. Sidebar navigation provides access to the home screen and other tools. The compass menu includes quick access to the home screen and additional functions, such as returning to the previous page, annotating, and dual OS switching. The Deep Hub supports a dual OS, so you can seamlessly switch between the Android and Windows. You can learn more details about these features and functions in our previous Deep Hub demo video, link below. The whiteboard is great for integrating brainstorm ideas for deeper collaboration. Having said that, you need the right tools. The Deep Hub provides different writing styles, editing methods, color options, and shape design tools. However, the Pro MC470 series goes beyond these basic functions by incorporating a laser pen. Temporary annotations and markings can be made during presentations and discussions, disappearing in seconds to help reduce visual chaos. Not only that, you can also insert tables and edit them easily. All of this sounds great, but typically, collaborations are a team effort. Multi-touchpoint allows multiple users to interact with the Deep Hub Pro MC470 directly, inspiring true collaboration. Using an intelligent algorithm, the Deep Hub Pro MC470 series can recognize English and Chinese and convert it into legible text with its handwriting recognition feature. We are continually developing this function to support multiple languages. Additionally, it can also recognize shapes, so you can draw images more accurately and quickly. Ideal for remote conferencing, you can access the camera by selecting the camera icon on the sidebar. The Deep Hub Pro is equipped with additional AI features such as auto-framing and gesture control, which can be enabled via the settings. In today's digital age, technology in the classroom is a requirement. The Deep Hub Pro MC470 supports Type-C connection, so you can easily connect your laptop, tablet, mobile phone, or other compatible devices to the Deep Hub for quick and easy content sharing. What's more, the Pro MC470 series is compatible with Deep Hub Class, which provides diverse teaching materials and tools to help K-12 teachers prepare interactive, engaging content for their lessons, whether online, in person, or hybrid. Teachers can create a free account by visiting class.deephub.net. Once they're registered, they can immediately begin creating. Search for images from online or insert YouTube videos directly to your presentation. Multiple features are available, including built-in math tools. Interactive content creates a fun learning experience. Additional files such as PowerPoint and PDFs can be added as slides. A mini board conveniently provides the traditional whiteboard experience, saving classroom space. create your lessons at home, save to the cloud, and access them on the DeepHub Pro directly through the DeepHub class software. Additionally, in the DeepHub resources, we are constantly adding 3D materials for K-12 subjects, including astronomy and biology, allowing visual learners to intuitively understand the contents of these subjects and the colorful universe in DeepHub class. The DeepHub Pro MC470 series supports MDM, a powerful remote management platform for IT personnel. View the info and status of your devices, tag and classify them, and send messages to DeepHubs. You can also control DeepHub devices remotely, such as turning them on or off and opening applications. For more details about the Dahua DeepHub Pro MC470 series, please refer to the product datasheet on Dahua's official website or the user manual sent with your device. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.